Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedging Lee with an evening update for Bitcoin. I'm recording this a little earlier than usual because I have to run out, take my kid to the movies. So here we go. What happened during the day today? Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we said, okay, there's a bull flag coming on here. And that bull flag decided to do something else. Okay, fine. Oops. Let's remove some of these markings. So we can see it better, like this. We're on the 1 hour chart. So it looks to me early in the morning, we were thinking that this was a bull flag, like this, when we didn't see any new extra prices. It made sense. Before that, this one was a beautiful triangle. Remember, don't forget, cryptos love, love, love triangles. Look at this, another triangle, my goodness. Triangles everywhere. So here, it decided to take a dip, more dip. So this could be a simple ABC flat. A, B, and C. A simple consolidation. And it could have been labeled as like this from an impulse perspective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, if it completed an early impulse, then this ABC makes sense. Remember, Elliott wave states that after 5 waves, there's a requisite ABC retracement. And this is a fractal that occurs again and again and again. Where does it occur again? Let me draw this longer. I just want to give a little bit of an instructive didactic moment here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 waves, you get an ABC retracement. A, B, C. Typically, for cryptos, it retraces to the prior wave 3. Now, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC, there are 3 rules that you have to remember. 3 rules. Rule number 1, the bottom of wave 2 cannot be equal to exceed the start of 1, the beginning of 1. That's rule number 1. Never forget that rule number 1. Rule number 2, the bottom of 4 cannot overlap with the top of 1. You can't have it like this. Look, that's illegal. Not allowed. Rule number 3, wave 3 cannot be the shortest between 1, 3, and 5. It doesn't say wave 3 has to be the longest. You can have wave 5 longer, but 3 will not be the shortest because it is longer than 1. You must remember those. You must memorize those rules and abide by those rules. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC is a fractal. Let me show you how it keeps repeating and repeating and repeating. This one has 5 subwaves. This 3 has 5 subwaves. Before I do that, so this one has 5 subwaves and there's ABC for 2. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. It's like the Russian doll system. Like those Russian dolls where you open up a big doll inside, you have a small one just like it. Open that up, you have another smaller fractal just like it. And this blue wave will have 5 subwaves, and this blue 2 will be ABC. That is how this works. So remember, write down those 3 rules of labeling and never forget it. All of these are contained in my tutorial number 1, number 2, and number 3. So now, let's go back to the places. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, look, A, B, C. So we are now applying that 5, 3. we have an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. Together, this makes a motive. What's after C? So how do I know this C is done? Is it done? Let's see. We are on a 1 hour. I'm going to now zoom into 15 minutes, which I rarely do. Now I'm going to zoom in. Very nice. So ABC, again, I'm going to make it instructive. A, B, C. There is one type called the zigzag. I'm sorry, flat. And that is also called 335. Why is it called 335? Because A wave has 3 waves. A, B, C. B wave has 3 waves. A, B, C. And the C wave has 5 waves. C wave always has 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see if we can find this here. I will show you. A, B, C. A, B, C for A. A, B, C for A. What's next? A, B, C for B. I will show you. A, B, C for B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for C. Let me show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful how this falls into place. 5 waves for C. Therefore, if I count 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the ABC is high probability complete. Finito. This should make perfect sense once you understand this. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get made fun of by my kids saying Dad's always counting 5 and 3, 3 and A, B, C, D, E. But that's pretty much what it boils down to. You just have to make it secondhand, get used to it. Get used to spotting these, translating this into the application. All right, that's pretty much it for me. That means if this is complete, I'm going to zoom back out to 1 hour, like so. Let's get rid of the subwaves. Makes it too messy. Leave the ABC there. That means we should see wave, oh jeez, the wrong one. Wave 2 should be here. Okay. So we're pretty much still in the same pathway. White 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that was for the 3 of. So we should start impulsing from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And 3 purple should be 25.75. Nothing much has changed. All I've done is clarify the correction. All right, I hope this has been helpful. As always, I hope I have earned the right to ask you for the consideration of your upvotes. Do you know that sometimes I get 5,000 views on my blogs? That is great. But when I get 5,000 views, I only get like 130 or something odd number of votes, upvotes. I kind of wonder as to what more could I do probably. I'm always thought experimenting to see how I can better earn the upvotes. For those of you who are reading my articles and benefiting from it, I would sincerely ask you to consider an upvote because a lot of time and effort is being put into it. And if you're benefiting, profiting, I think the best way you can help is to give an upvote because that'll allow me to gain a greater amount of visibility so that others just like you can gain the same benefit. All right, have a good weekend, everybody. I'll talk to you guys tonight. Good night.